Hello, hello, hello. It's me again, Kim Lachelle, and I'm back again with an unboxing video. I got a TWSBI fountain pen, 5 bottles of Tono Lims ink, and 1 bottle of Sailor ink from Pen Chalet. It's been a while since I've unboxed an order with these peanuts, but I do appreciate the USPS shipping bag included because I was able to put those peanuts in it. I discovered Pen Chalet in December 2025 while searching for Tono Lims ink. This unboxing are items I purchased February 2026. Now let us switch from voiceover to the live recording. As you can see, I don't know where this is going to fall in line as far as me unboxing, but I have been going down this TWSBI rabbit hole. This is abroad, and this is, I know it's a, they don't put the color here. It's what color is this? It's a green. It's the Irish green with the onyx trim and a broad. Okay, that's what that is. Okay. I had to look at my receipt. I knew it was green, but I couldn't remember the actual name. So I am not inking things. I am just storing them and just concentrating on swatching my inks so that when I'm ready to ink, I will know every ink that's in my collection pretty much. And then I can choose an ink and be happy with it. We're going to say that. Yeah. So I just usually open these up and keep it moving. But one thing about the TWSBI, it does give you instructions. It gives you everything that you need to take care of your pen, the silicone grease, the wrench, and how to fill up your TWSBI. I don't look at this stuff. You know, we depend so much on YouTube that I never look at this. And it does say an angle. That looks like an angle, I think. Yeah. But so I got the green, and I just thought it was very pretty. And this is a broad, and it's a black onyx, and you can tell it's a broad because look how the nib is. And the window right here tells you, which I cannot see this window at all, and the mechanism to opening it. Well, I shouldn't say open it. The piston feel. And cap on. So this is a broad, and we're just collecting, buying until we find the energy or when we're ready. And when I'm ready, I'm gonna do a complete video of me filling my pens up with ink. I probably won't do them all at once. I'll probably start off with like a broad, all the broads, and do them, and then, you know, the medium, and then the stub. So that's the plan. So there's the TWSBI and Irish green. So do you want to see where I'm at? Okay, this is a broad. Okay, so here's my other broads. These are the stubs. So I'm kind of, and then here are the fine and medium. So I'm kind of, so I can kind of see what I have. and go from there. But they're just in these Muji cases until I can upgrade to what I really want to store my pens in. And here are my inks. So this particular line, I always love Tono Lims when they do the special packaging than their normal packaging like this. So this is the Story of Ink, and it's listed on the box. Love the packaging and the coloring. Just love it. Okay, and we have 4 inks in this series as of now. And we're going to swatch these, and then we're going to swatch this. I got this ink because I really don't collect the Sailor 50 states or how many states they did in there. But I have the Missouri because I live in Missouri. And I also want the Tennessee because most of my family is from Tennessee. So I want to get that one. And so that's why I got it. So yes. Oh, and this one, this is watermelon juice. And I believe this is a scented ink. And that's why I wanted it. And it was very hard to find. This is the only shop which I was able to find the watermelon juice ink. All the other shops that I normally look for as far as Tono Lims, they were out of stock, so I grabbed it. But we're going to start with this one, and I'm going to swatch where? On my cards. I do have my cards. They're always sitting on my desk now, and you know it's these. It's the Colorverse Wildflower, and I think I am going to, I'm not sure, I might swatch in my book, but I might swatch on some Tomo River paper that I have cut here. So I might swatch this. So I haven't decided. Since it's 4 inks, I probably could do in my book, which my book is right here. I probably could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I could probably do 2 and 2. They won't be very big, so we'll see. I kind of like some of the inks in the book. Yeah, I have a few, but I might put them in the book. I think I will, and then I can stamp the book number. I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use the book. Okay, let's start with pure. That's really a hard word to say, pure. I had to really think about that one before saying it, before it came out of my mouth. Oh, just really love this. Okay, so this is a purple. Doesn't look like it has anything in it. And DI water unit. Haven't read anything on this line. I am just swatching. DI water unit. Deionized water system removes dissolved minerals and salt from water using ion exchange resins. Oh, I thought it was purple. Well, I got it. It's a purple. Blue purple, and feels really nice on here. We'll see what happens. Okay, we'll set it over here to dry. Oh, it's drying beautiful. Look at that so far. Oh, you see some pink, some light blue. Oh, it's pretty. I don't think I can show. Oh, let's go out. So yeah, let's kind of come out. So as it dries, you might be able to see the colors that come into play. And Oh, I don't think I put an... That is so pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, so let's dip it. I am going to... Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, I forgot to put the pencil board underneath. I do like a pencil board underneath it, just so it won't bleed through. Put that up there. Okay. So this one is called Pure. And I feel like I need to turn the book because I put oil on my hands and I don't want it on the paper. So hold on. The best way. And oh, this is so pretty. I really like this color. You can see it right there. How it's just, oh, it's really pretty. Okay. And this is Story of Ink. So I feel like this is the production line for how inks are made. Maybe. I could be wrong. I'm going to put here, we'll just do that story. I was about to put line, so let's see if I can make, I messed that up. Ink. I think it's collection, or what do I want to put? We'll put line. I might come back and change that. I'm probably gonna do some, let's see. This is not doing well. It's really pretty. Okay. And okay, so I am going to just do my normal. So hold on, I'm gonna set this here. Oh no, I'm gonna have to hold that. And Story of Ink. We're gonna just put series. Okay, that looks really pretty. So pretty. Oops. So yeah, there it is. It looks really nice. I forgot to hit record while I was swatching Hue, the color of shade, which is a beautiful soft green. You will see the color swatches in my swatch book and the swatch card as you continue to watch. Okay, let's try Bloom. See what it looks like. It looks like it should be a turquoise. What is this? Tensiometer. Okay, I found out it's pronounced tensiometer. Tensiometer. I don't think I've ever heard of this, but yes, Bloom. We're going to swatch it. That's one thing I like about just, whatever you're into, inks and everything, you always learn something new. So yes, tensiometer. Tensiometer. Okay. As I'm looking at this color, it looks like the ocean. When you're more close to the shoreline, a beautiful blue turquoise. I feel off today trying to do this. Give it a little shake just in case. Sorry, let me pull up some. So what I did find out is that the Story of Inks line features a series of separating ink designed to reveal subtle color changes after they touch the paper, as well as variations that appear depending on the paper type. These Story of Inks are to commemorate Tono Lims' 7th anniversary. Our next ink is called Flow. And let's see, Flow. Flow, viscometer. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I have the perfect pen coming that this would look beautiful in. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. I was just saying I don't have a color like this. Like last night, oh, I'm like, I need a gray color ink. And wow, I have one now. Who knew? It's like a gray blue. Oh, it's really pretty. Okay, what is this called? Flow. Okay. Just in a very awkward, trying to write around the circle. Oh, it's really pretty. It's a blue-gray. Love it. I have nothing like this that I've swatched so far in my collection. So yes, this is perfect. Okay, set that there. Let's set this on top. Here. We're just gonna write outward. That's pretty. called Flow. Oh, I forgot to put story of ink. Okay, we'll probably try to go back and do that. Oops, I flipped this one over. We'll put it here. Oh, this is so pretty. And, oh, I spelled that wrong, but that's okay. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, that's really pretty. I have the perfect pen coming that this will work in. Perfect. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So those are those two. And here are these two. Oh yes, Pure is really nice. Oh, that's pretty. So I'm gonna write on Pure the top part, so that'll be done off camera. Here are these, and I'll come back and show these when they dry, hopefully. But in the meantime, I'm gonna swatch these. Give me a second and we'll swatch these. But I don't think I'm gonna put them in this book because it needs to dry. That's the only thing about when I'm using a book. I need to allow time for it to dry. Okay, watermelon juice. Let's see. I'm curious to see if this is definitely a scented ink. Let's see. Oh, yes. Oh my God. It is. It reminds me of a watermelon Jolly Rancher when I was a kid. Oh my God. It smells wonderful. Oh my God. I'm so glad I got this. It reminds me of my childhood. Because I don't eat Jolly Ranchers now anymore. They're too daggone too much sugar. But yeah, oh my goodness, it smells wonderful. Oh, so happy. Oh, and it does look like watermelon. It smells great. Now, me swatching, I don't really smell it. But yeah, it's great. Oh, so nice. Now, I'm not gonna put this in my book. Let me see. I don't think I can. No, I'm not. I'm gonna actually put it on, swatch it on some Tomo River loose leaf paper here. Sorry, I keep knocking the camera. And we're just gonna do it here. And put it back in. Oh, what line is this? I need to look that up because I'm not sure. I'm not even sure if it has a line. Okay, let me look that up. I'm not sure. Have no clue. But it smells wonderful. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is just put Tono Lims, and it is a limited seasonal, and that's how we're gonna label it because I don't know. It's scented. Oh my God, it smells so good. It does. Make sure I get enough ink. And if you've ever like took a piece of watermelon and put it in a juicer, it looks like this. So perfect. We're gonna put scented. Let's put, I was about to put that. I don't know if I'm having enough room. Let's just put Tono Lims here. I just go like that. It's really pretty. And we'll put limited seasonal. But it smells wonderful. If you like watermelon, you know, watermelon to me is like rain. It's just something about a fresh scent of watermelon. And I remember my grandfather, when I was a kid, he used to love watermelon, and it just would smell so delicious. Yeah, that's that. Oh, I need to write it on this card. Oh, I almost messed it up. I was thinking limited edition and I almost messed it up. Should I put scented? I think up here I'm going to put scented. We'll put limited. Seasonal. And I'm going to put scented. Sorry. Yay, that looks great. And we have one more item to ink, and that is the Sailor Tennessee, and I'm gonna put it on here. I'm not changing a piece of paper, we're just gonna put it on here. Okay, time to swatch. And it's a blue, and it didn't bother me. I didn't care if it was whatever color. It's Tennessee. It's gonna be part of my collection. So yeah, it didn't matter. It could have been purple, red. I would have got it. But it's blue, so it's perfect. Okay. So I think this, we just put Sailor Tennessee 50, I don't remember the series, so I gotta find out the name of the series. I think it's just 50 states. What am I looking for? Where is it? Oh, here it is. The puppet. Ooh, so those two colors kind of, they don't look alike, but I see this one has purple coming out. This one has pink coming out. So there are some similarities, but they're different. Okay, I know. So I was just looking at my swatch book and I realized that I had swatched some other inks and they were scented, and I didn't put scented on top of the swatch card. So I'll probably eventually go back and do that because I think that's a good thing. Okay, where are we? We are doing Tennessee. That's an E. Might not look like one. And this is Sailor. And we're gonna put US 50 states. USA? Yep. 50 states. Okay. So easy when it's just 2 inks on this particular page. I don't have to do a lot, and it's not bound by a book, so I get freedom. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. It's looking, they don't look exactly alike, but yeah, they have some of the same properties, we can say. And this is just a 20 milliliter versus the 30, so you can tell the difference in the size. And Tono Lims has their emblem, or their branding on top, I should say, and the bottom of the bottle says Tono Lims. Yeah. So yeah. So we have 6 inks. Oh, we didn't write. Oh, I gotta write. Hold on. Thought I was finished, and I'm not. Oh, yeah, let's get to writing. I sure did forget. Okay. That was premature. And Sailor. And we said USA 50 states. USA 50 states. Okay, so that's still drying probably down there, but let's do it. Okay, here we are. So these 4 are the series, and these are different, and we have all this room over here. So those are the inks that we swatched. Here's the book, so you can really see them. And here's this part. So these two kind of, it's like the opposite. This is more blue, this is more purple, but they have similar shading. Yeah. They're like a flip-flop. So purple, blue, but with purple and blue. Wow. They look great. That's still drying, so yeah. And I stamped the dates that I received. even though this is a different date that I'm swatching, but in where I got the inks. If I remember, I tried to do that in my swatch book, but that doesn't always happen. But very pleased with these colors. And then we got the TWSBI ink pen over here, and the blue and the green. Yeah, but you know, this is a broad nib, so I want something that has some shimmer, something in it to go in here. Not sure what color it would be. It can be a red. It could be a green. It could be a yellow. Anything dealing with the green, I think, or contrast would be good. But that's my order, and I'm so glad to share. I do have, this is my second order from Pen Chalet, so hopefully I can get the first one, which is probably a train wreck. My first order from them, which was in December 2025, it's February 2026, so hopefully I can share that one before this one, but it might not happen. But my swatching skills were really off then, I think. I have some type of format now. It's not perfect, but it's good. But yeah, I'm very pleased. So thank you for being here. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like my video, comment below, and also share with someone that might be interested in inks or might be interested in TWSBI, even though I didn't ink it up, but it's still here. But yeah, oh, here's this in here. I forgot they put this in here. Oh, that's cute. Sailor Tennessee ink is a light blue with visible pink undertones, which invokes the popular fairground favorite invented in Nashville in the 1890s, cotton candy. Oh, wow, that was great. So it's based on cotton candy. Cool. So yeah, that's perfect. I didn't know that was in there. So I was thinking about, like, with these inks that I maybe will collect or get the cities that I visited, but I don't think so. I'm okay. I got enough ink. But yeah, we'll see. It might happen, but not right now. But that's it. Thank you for continuing to watch. I know this was a longer video, and I appreciate you being here. I will see you soon. Godspeed.